My name is David Chavez, and I'm the Director of Slot Operations here at Talking Stick Resort in Scottsdale, Arizona. Talking Stick Resort is an enterprise of the Salt River Pima Maricopa Indian community. It is a 4-diamond AAA rated resort. We opened our property here in April of 2010, and we do thousands of customers through our doors every single week. We have just about 700 slot machines and 500 hotel rooms. We started testing multiple vendors at our sister property about 3 years ago, and MEI was one of those vendors that we were testing. We were looking for the most effective, efficient bill validator, and of all the bill validators that we had tested, MEI stood out. When we were opening Talking Stick Resort, all the department heads were tasked with finding the most effective, efficient technologies that were out in the market to run our departments better. Paul Mendez, our account team manager, came to me with an asset tracking system called EASITRAX. We had already made the decision to go with MEI bill validators, so when we started investigating, we saw that it's the same company and the integration between the two would be so simple, so we decided to move forward with that process. Before we invested in EASITRAX, we used to have a barcode on every single cash can, and we had 2 cash cans for every slot machine. It was very difficult to keep that process straight. Now with EASITRAX, every single cash box has an RFID tag inside the cash box, so we can put any cash can in any slot machine across the casino floor. One of the biggest benefits we're seeing of the EASITRAX system is the reporting. One of the reports in there is an acceptance report. This allows our slot maintenance techs to have targeted machines that are low on the acceptance report. They can go out, check those machines. Mostly it's cleaning the bill validator to make sure that we have higher acceptance. And doing that process over 5 months at one property, we got above 98% acceptance on our bill validators. Acceptance rate is really important to us because it's a measure of the efficiency of the bill validator. So the higher acceptance that we have, the more money that we're able to take and the less guest frustration we see on the floor. Some of the other reports that I find useful in the EASITRAX system are the software version reports. I can look on a report and tell exactly which software our slot machines are running and ensure that they're up to date. We also use a rejection type reports in EASITRAX to help us again have targeted focus on machines that are having issues. We use it to see mismatches between configuration of the slot machine versus a bill validator. So to quantify the benefits of EASITRAX, our count team is seeing a reduced time in drop per machine, about 15 to 20 seconds, which adds up to about 45 minutes every single day. We drop our entire floor every day, so it's very big for us. Our drop team manager also uses 2 less people to complete the drop because it's more efficient. On the slot operations side, we're seeing a reduction in calls for bill validator jams. We used to be 40% of our calls were for bill validator jams for our technicians. Now we're less than 1% for our calls. So EASITRAX has helped us to look at bill validators in a different way. We used to see bill validators as just a component. Now we see it as a system to increase effectiveness on a casino floor through higher acceptance percentage as well as efficiency in our drop process. So we're seeing benefits in all of our departments that deal with slot machines.